Hi everybody and welcome to another vlog. Today we will see how it sounds the studio room as it is, but first I need to get one thing out of my way. Painting the garage. Luckily for me, I got an extra pair of hands so it will go faster. It only took us one day. Well, obviously it took a lot more time to paint around the solar panel control box because I wanted to make it nice and clean than doing the rest of the walls. But anyways, the walls were really mostly darkened and the finish looked quite dirty, so I just wanted to make a fresh coat of paint to make it look a lot nicer and a lot cleaner and just a refresh. Also good news, I got a tiny washing machine, so I no longer need to go to the river to wash my clothes. Yay! These days I have also been battling with 5 different operators of the internet, begging for my dear life to get it installed in the house, and we finally got it. So from now on, guys, I'm only going to watch Netflix and doing nothing more. So that's the end of the renovation. Bye! Okay, I'm joking. I'm not gonna leave you like this. So let's continue where we left off.
A few days have passed since I finished up the garage. I have good news. I found somebody which has experience making music studios, and it's a really nice guy, and he has obviously a company with renovations and everything, so we have arranged that he will be helping me out with everything to change some electricity wires that are a little bit doubtful, turn everything halogen to LED, change the sockets, add Ethernet cable because I really need that for streaming and for teaching. We're also going to be adding an acoustic door, and we will be removing the ceiling of the studio, so that's going to be like a bigger demolishing work. I mean, it's not so huge because after all it's just kind of wooden panels, but it's something that I cannot do. And so they will be doing that once the ceiling is removed. We will do a sound test. Actually, I want to make a sound test now to see how it sounds. It's very stuffy, the room. Obviously, it's empty, so it has a lot of reverb and resonances everywhere. But I just wanted to hear how it sounds, because then they're going to remove the ceiling, make it high like the bedroom, which that is going to improve a lot for me, having more space for the acoustics, to treat it, to manage it, to diffuse it. And only then we will decide which kind of materials we might need for the roof. There is some sandwich solutions that are really cool, really premium, but also we can make something kind of in between. That will depend a little bit on how it sounds. And I found really nice from this guy that he wants to kind of test it first before he just says, yeah, let's just put something, because he really wants to adapt to what I need. Since it's very peculiar, it's just I record classical guitar, me alone. It's not like a full-fledged recording studio. So that gives me some good amount of flexibility. And they will be coming here tonight. And I will be recording everything so you can see the progress of how did they demolish everything, how things are changing, and hopefully also I can record how it sounds when the ceiling is out. And then obviously once the studio is finished we will have like the final sound comparison. So I'll try to have some takes with that and let's see what comes out. You know that? Hey, you're looking really hilarious. Look, you like? Well, I hope you like this, I don't know if short or long video, but I think it will make sense when we can compare this room as it is now, as it is going to be halfway and maybe finished. And I played the back that I'm at 8 because I also recorded it for another video in my current studio, which has carpet and it's very different. So I just will want to have this as a feedback. Even though, like, yeah, I'm not using the microphones and the good interfaces. Here I'm just using like a very different, smaller microphone. Anyways, but just out of curiosity, I don't know, maybe I can pick up some subtleties and something. You always learn from this kind of thing. At least I think I always do. And well, I don't know if the next video is going to start already tomorrow or tonight when the people come. I'll try to see if I can record something. If not, I will see you tomorrow. I guess in YouTube it will be another random day, but that would be for me tomorrow where the works will start. I hope you're enjoying these videos, and if you do, please like and subscribe. That would help me a lot and will help me morally to get through all this work. And I'm just so eager to have the studio ready and just work and play and practice and do my regular things. And now my life is just upside down. So I hope that anyways with these videos we can share a special unique moment together. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.